Namaste friends, this is Priyu and you all are welcome to my channel Priyu's Crafty Wings. I hope you all are doing good. So today I will share a beautiful new flower idea with you. This is very easy, so let's begin. For making this beautiful lavender flower, at first I am taking an aluminium stick. Also I am taking a green floral tip. You also can use floral stick. Now I am using glue on this aluminium stick. After doing this, I am smudging this with my finger. Then I am taking this green floral tip. I am also wrapping this all over this aluminium ware's body. Cover its all part properly. Now I am trying to make the stem of lavender flower. I am requesting you to don't skip this video, otherwise you will miss many things from this video. Now I am cutting the last part of this floral tip and also I am using glue here and stick it. So this is my lavender stem and is also ready now. Here I am taking a fork and a wool. I will use this wool with this fork. Now I will wrapping this wool on this fork. You have to rolling this wool on this fork almost 40 times for making a perfect woolen ball. After doing this, now I am cutting this wool. Also I am taking a needle with a woolen thread. Now I am passing this woolen thread and this needle from this area of this fork. Do it carefully, and now I am making a strong knot on this woolen roll. I have removed this from this fork. Now I am using a scissor for cut this area. My cutting has done. This is my woolen ball. I am taking two colors of woolen ball. One is sky blue and another is light purple. You can also choose another colors. I am taking the flower stem and also I am passing this woolen ball inside this stem. One by one I will do this. This is very easy. Look at this process carefully. After using these colors, now I am using sky blue colors. This step has done completely. Bend this flower stem slightly for making real look of lavender flower. Now I am using scissor for removing the extra parts of this flower. Cut the uneven parts of this flower and making the shape of lavender flower. So cut this extra wool slightly. My cutting has done completely, so I am removing the extra wool from it. Here I am taking a green craft paper. Now I am folding this from the middle. I am drawing a line using pen. Make a half leaf shape. I am cutting this using a scissor. Now I am opening this from the middle. This is my leaf. It's ready. So I am taking the lavender flower and also I am taking 2 leaves. Using glue at the last part of this leaf. Now I am sticking these leaves on the stem of this lavender flower. This is my lavender flower and it's very cute. This is the final look of my lavender flower which I made from wool. I hope you all are enjoying this video. If you like this video, please do like, comment and share this video. And please subscribe my channel and press the all notification button for more videos like these. Guys, don't forget to try this at your home. Love you all guys. Take care. Stay happy. Stay cool. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Bye bye. See you soon with a new video.